Image test pattern 2. Okay. Had a dream about a tremendous circle of eyes pointed inward at the something of the world. Stranger and stranger dreams as I get older, or more touching of this weird thing. Okay, we're gonna create a checkerboard starting with white and then black. And then I have the documentation. Black is 0. So we're doing 3 and 0 essentially over and over and over again. But the general idea is exactly the same, right? Like I want to re-put in what we had previously. That would actually be really nice. Can I like just take what we had there and like open it up? I don't think I can. That would be really nice. Okay, so we have 30 to the right. I want... We probably want to do our start again here. We're gonna when I reopen it, is it blank? What do you mean? Oh yeah, I can go back to the previous ones. I just have to open you up, and then I guess we could just copy this, and then the rest of these are pretty simple to do. It's just kind of annoying. Okay, so given that, this draws everything white, which means that instead of 3 down, I want to get every other one. And so I can have this be giving us 0 and 3 every other one. So if I just move, we're starting with 3, so 3 right, move 0 right, and then that just loops. So we're going to move left down, and then that we're going to do move 0 right, move ACC left, add 1, move left down, move right down. Okay. That feels right, right? Those are black? Oh no. Oh, I need to switch that out. These are lines. Okay. It's close. I got this close. So what I want to do is this needs to be reversed after 30 of them. So every 30, I reverse this. So if we start move 30 to our ACC, and then I want to I wonder how I want to do this. We don't have like a stack, so I can't how do I want to like choose which one? I can't just be silly easy and just like choose, okay, do one then the other. No, that doesn't make any sense. Can I modulo by 30 to see which line you're at? Kessor, hello. How are you doing today? I cannot modulo unless I write modulo in assembly in these boxes. How does modulo work? Could I do that easily? Mythol, hello. How are you doing today? Oh, and also cat's in the wrong position. Cat goes up there now. Right. Divide by 30, take the remainder. I don't have a divide. I have a sub. So I'd have to write the entire logic to sub everything by that many times and do it. Is the I'm actually curious. Is the manual free and like available for everybody? Is that just like something that I could get and share out? That'd be really nice. Where? Let's see. I'll Google search for it. Sorry about that, Kessor. Oh, okay, there it is. You found it. Here, let me. Nope, wrong key. I'm trying to do this on the wrong keyboard. Okay, that's why nothing. That's why my screen is going crazy. All right. Copy you. Put you in there, and that looks about right. Also, Zachtronics, I should allow that. Kevin, hello. Just write one more on the line loop at 31. Oh yeah, and that definitely is the manual. Okay, so if you're interested in sort of following along of what I have access to, that's it. So thank you, Kessor, for that. All right, so what was I doing? You're suggesting just write one more on the line, loop at 31. One more on the line and loop at 31? Oh, you're right. You're right. I could just do that. So if I just do that, it's cheating, but it works. Hey, that works. Okay, thank you, Kevin. That's a great suggestion. So we'll wait until this one fills up, and then we'll do the fast mode. I'll do fast mode now. Move 0 down, move ACC down, add 1. Okay, so we got that.